To get regular updates, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Visit our channel and get more learning videos under playlist option. There you can find current affairs, daily vocabulary, banking awareness, aptitude and much more.
Hello friends, welcome to the October Monthly Digest by ExamBen. In this session, we have compiled all the current affairs topics which we hope will be useful for your studies. Let's look at the topics related to banking. The Reserve Bank of India would raise the foreign investment limit to the government bonds by 80 billion rupees, which is also converted into $1.22 billion to 2.5 trillion rupees for the October-December quarter after the current quota had been almost fully exhausted. The RBI said that the limits for the long-term investors in the government bonds would be raised by 60 billion rupees, while the limits for the general investors would be raised by 20 billion rupees. In a first of its kind efforts in the domestic banking sector, the second largest private sector lender, HDFC Bank, has said that it would be partnering with 50 technology and business schools to tap into the emerging fintech ideas. It announced a tie-up with IIT Bombay and IIT Roorkee as a part of the Industria Academy Partnership Project. The government has appointed Ranjish Kumar as the chairman of the State Bank of India with effect from the October 7th. He will succeed Arundhati Bhattacharya, whose term ends on October 6th. Now he is one of the 4 managing directors of the SBI, looking after the domestic banking sector as the head of the national banking group. The Reserve Bank has flagged the lenders for keeping the interest rate high and flagged concerns over the base rate and marginal cost of the fund-based lending program, which is also known as MCLR, saying that these two have not improved the monetary transmission. An internal RBI government group has suggested switching over to an external benchmark in a time-bounded manner so that the better rates could be available to the borrowers. At a time when the credit growth is at an historic low, State Bank of India's chairman designate Ranjish Kumar has said that reviving the loan growth will be his top priority apart from the resolution of stressed assets. Mr. Kumar said in a teleconference with the media that reviving the credit growth and resolution of stressed assets, that is the topmost challenge. The 4-year term of Arundhati Bhattacharya, who is the first woman chairman of the State Bank of India, has come to an end on Friday. Under her leadership, SBI had capitulated the elite group of top 50 banks in the world following the merger of 5 associate banks and the Bharatiya Mahila Bank with effect from April 1st, 2017. In a freewheeling interaction with the media, Bhattacharya, who has served the bank for 4 decades, shared her thoughts on a host of issues, including the future plans, reforms, and asset resolution. The Reserve Bank of India has said in a notification that it will soon release the guidelines for prepaid instruments, which is also known as PPIs, that allow all KYC complaint wallets such as Paytm, Mobivic, Oxygen, Freecharge and Citrus among others to be able to transact with each other from April 2018. The RBI will be issuing the master directions by October 11, 2017. The country's third largest private sector lender Axis Bank has said that it has acquired the payment wallet Freecharge for Rs 373 crore in an all-cash deal and appointed Sangram Singh as its CEO. Axis Bank has said that the acquisition will double the customer base of the bank and leapfrog its digital journey by multiple years. The Odisha government's Directorate of Treasuries and the inspection of the State Bank of India has signed a memorandum of understanding for integration of the SBI ePay with Cyber Treasury. An official has said that the memorandum of understanding is landmark initiative by the state government to facilitate the revenue collection from citizens through digital banking platforms. India's IndusInd Bank Limited has agreed an all-share deal to buy micro-lender Bharat Financial Inclusion Limited for close to $2.4 billion, boosting its presence in the microfinance lending and rural banking. Both the companies said in a joint statement that the IndusInd Bank will give Bharat Financial shareholders 639 of its shares for every 1,000 shares they own of the microfinance lender. A report by rating agency ICRA has said that with bank deposit growth outpacing the loan growth, the lender's reliance on borrowing through certificate of deposit, which is also known as CDS, has declined. Outstanding CDs has plunged to 82,400 crores as on September 15, which is the lowest in the decade.
The Reserve Bank of India clarified that linking of Aadhaar to bank accounts was mandatory under the Prevention of Money Laundering Second Amendment Rule 2017. The clarification comes after a section of the media citing a reply to a Right to Information Act application reported that the linking of Aadhaar and bank accounts was not mandatory. So the deadline for linking your accounts with Aadhaar account is December 31st. India Post Payments Bank appointed Suresh Reddy as its managing director and chief executive officer. The bank said in a statement that Sethi had been selected by the bank's board bureau from top contenders for the post, including public and private sector banking and financial technology professionals. HSBC has named company veteran Jayanti Rikke as the new chief executive of its India operations, effective from December 1st of 2017. The company said Rikke, who has been with the bank for 28 years in various roles, will replace Stuart Milne, who will move to a new role after leading India operations for the past 5 years. State Bank of India on Monday said it has signed an agreement with Escorts Limited of to finance farmers for purchase of Escort tractors. The bank said in a statement, the aim of the tie-up with Escorts Limited is to promote, market, and make accessible an organized finance facility at a competitive interest rates to farmers who wish to purchase power track and farm track tractors manufactured by Escorts Limited. Which one of the following statements best represents an important difference between foreign direct investment and foreign institutional investment? Option A. FII helps bring better management skills and technology while FDI only brings in capital. Option B. FII helps in increasing capital availability in general while FDI only targets specific sectors. Option C. FDI flows only into the secondary market while FII targets primary market. Option D. FIA is considered to be more stable than FDI. Option E. None of the above. The right answer is FIA helps in increasing capital availability in general while FDI only targets specific sectors. Which bank will be partnering with 50 technology and business schools to tap into emerging fintech ideas, including IITs? Option A. Axis Bank. Option B. ICICI Bank. Option C. SBI Bank. Option D. Citibank. Option E. HDFC Bank. The right answer is HDFC. HDFC has tied up with 50 technology and business schools to tap into emerging fintech ideas. Who is the newly appointed chairman of the State Bank of India? Option A, Sri Ashok Pandan. Option B, Sri Duncan Victor Bryan. Option C, Rajneesh Kumar. Option D, Sri Dinesh Kumar Kara. Option E, Sri D. Sundaram. The right answer is Rajneesh Kumar. Rajneesh Kumar is the newly appointed chairman of State Bank of India. Which of the following is correct regarding marginal cost of funds based lending rate? 1. Reserve Bank of India has instructed all the commercial banks to calculate their marginal cost. Number 2. MCLR revised on monthly basis benefiting bank customers, especially borrowers. Number 3. MCLR rule exempted for loans given to retired employees, existing employees, government schemes. So here's the options for you. Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C 3 only, option D 1 and 3 only, option E 1, 2 and 3. The right answer is 1, 2 and 3. All of these three statements is correct. Which bank launched FTSE India's first bond index series for overseas investors? Option A, SBI Bank. Option B, Axis Bank. Option C, HDFC Bank. Option D, Indian Bank. Option E, Indian Overseas Bank. Type in your answers in the comments below in 15 seconds of time with additional information you know regarding this news. The right answer is SBI Bank. What is the ranking of Arundhati Bhattacharya in world's 50 greatest leaders by Fortune magazine? Option A 25, option B 26, option C 27, option D 28, option E 29. Arundhati Bhattacharya was the outgoing SBI chairman, and the new chairman's name you can comment below, and you should also comment the Arundhati Bhattacharya's ranking in Fortune magazine within 15 seconds. The right answer is 26. Which of the following is India's first social mobile wallet? Option A, Udio. Option B, Paytm. Option C, MobiKwik. Option D, FreeCharge. Option E, JioPay. Get your answers and comment below with the question number, and if you know any additional information regarding mobile wallets, that also can be given in the comments. We will appreciate each and every comment that is being posted that is valuable in terms of information. The right answer is Udio. Which bank acquired FreeCharge mobile wallet in all cash deal? Option A, HDFC Bank. Option B, IDBI Bank. Option C, ICICI Bank. Option D, Dena Bank. Option E, Axis Bank. Type in your answers in the comments below within 15 seconds, and also add some information regarding FreeCharge or the answer you're looking for. The right answer is Axis Bank. Which state government signed an MOU for integration of SBI ePay with Cyber Treasury? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Odisha. Option E, Maharashtra. You got 10 seconds to type in your answers in the comments below. You can type in like 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D or 1E. Type the correct answer so that we can appreciate you on the comments. Every right answer will be appreciated personally by myself. So let's look at the correct answer. The right answer is Odisha. Odisha state government signed an MOU for integration of State Bank of India's ePay with Cyber Treasury. Let's look at the second question from banking. Which of the following is the country's largest microfinance bank? Option A, Bharat Financial Inclusion Limited. Option B, Janalakshmi Bank. Option C, Bandhan Bank. Option D, Ujjivan. And option E, Equitas. You got 10 seconds to type in your answers in the comments below, and you need to type your answers in the format like 2A, 2B, 2C or 2D. Don't submit each and every question's answers at one by one. So what and all questions you can type in a row, maybe 1 to 5 in a separate comment and 6 to 10 in a separate comment. So the time is up. I'm revealing the answer. The right answer is Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank is the biggest microfinance bank in India. The third question is, which of the following is negotiable money market instrument? Option A, fixed deposits. Option B, reinvestment deposits. Option C, certificate of deposit. And option D, recurring deposits. Option E, non-resident ordinary accounts. You got 10 seconds to type in your answers in the comments below. You can type in like 3A, 3B, 3C, 3D or 3E, whichever the right answer is you think. The time is up. The right answer is certificate of deposit, CD. Which act is considered to link Aadhaar to bank account is mandatory? Option A, Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Option B, the Criminal Law Act 1972. Option C, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Second Amendment Rules 2017. Option D, the Unlawful Activities Amendment Act 1969. And option E, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Amendment Act 2008. You got 10 seconds to guess the correct act that is related to linking of Aadhaar to bank account, which made mandatory through this act. The right answer is Prevention of Money Laundering, Maintenance of Records, Second Amendment Rules 2017. Next question. Who is the newly appointed MD and CEO of India Post Payments Bank, IPPB? Option A, Natarajan Chandrasekharan. Option B, Suresh Sethi. Option C, Santanu Narayan. Option D, Indra Nooyi. Option E, Sanjay K. Jha. You got 10 seconds to type in your answers in the comments, and you can type in like 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D or 5E. Let's look at the correct answer. The correct answer is Suresh Sethi is the new MD and CEO of India Payments Bank. Who is the newly appointed CEO of HSBC Bank of its India operations? Option A, Jayant Rike. Option B, Chanda Kochar. Option C, Shikha Sharma. Option D, Ajay Paul Singh Banga. Option E, Azim Premji. You got 10 seconds to type in your answers. And I can easily remove 2 of the options from here because they were related to some other organization. The right answer is Jayant Rike. The 2 persons you can easily eliminate is Chanda Kochar and Azim Premji because they are popularly known for other brands. Which tractor company made tie-up with State Bank of India to promote finance facility at competitive interest rates to farmers? Option A, Pre Tractors. Option B, HMT Limited. Option C, John Deere. Option D, Escorts Limited. Option E, Mahindra. And you got 10 seconds to type in your correct answers in the comments, and you can type in like 7A, 7B, 7C, 7D or 7E. And this is the last question in banking. The right answer is Escorts Limited.
Thank you for watching till the end. Please leave us your suggestion in the comment section below and we will get back to you. To get the instant notification, please click on the bell icon. Thank you.